First time driving the M5.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Poster from the Beemer Fam. We're back at it. Today, I got something very special for you guys. I've been waiting to unveil this for a while. I kind of did some updates to my car that changed the way it completely looks. Some of you may have already seen it on Instagram. I'm a little slow getting the videos to YouTube. I have sent Eric the installation videos for what you're about to see, so those should be popping up on the main channel as well. But I think it's time we at least do a reveal for everyone here on YouTube who may not follow me on Instagram or may not have seen the changes I have done in general. So without further ado, let's walk through it real quick. Ba-ba-da-da. Can you guys tell? Drop a comment. What have I changed? Alright, here we go. So first off, I installed these front splitters right here myself. The fitment was pretty good. It wasn't exact. I did have to do a little bit of work to get them to fit correctly. You guys may see some of that in the video we released on the main channel for installing. But it came out really well. People asked me if I did it myself or if it's professional. I did it myself. Secondly, let's go ahead and take a look here. We got the carbon fiber hood vents from Technic. Very easy to install. Once again, I made the installation for that as well, so you guys will be able to see how to do that. But I think the combination of the extra black on the hood with the front splitters definitely gives it more of an aggressive look and feel. Last but not least, let's come around to the Technic carbon fiber Meerkat. Honestly, it just sets it off in my opinion. It gives the car a good balance between that black and white contrast, especially with having the housing for the lighting blacked out and the grille black. And of course, you guys know we have the black rims. We have the black side fender flare for the side lights. Tint, of course. Come around, carbon fiber roof. We got the carbon fiber lip on the back. Carbon fiber V-style diffuser. Yeah, I mean, I think it all comes together real nice. Don't forget the black M3 badge. So now really the balance between white and black for this Panda look for me is complete. I really like it. I like how the side flares already on the M3 are white, giving it more of a balance once again. I'm not a big fan of doing the side runners of the carbon fiber just because there's already a line there and those two lines kind of collide in my opinion, but I can see why some people do like it. I myself go back and forth whether I want to do them or not, but to me my first instinct is I like the side flares already built in and it gives the car nice lines and I don't need to compete with that. And my mechanic also said they are very easy to crack since the points where you put the car would, you know, jack it up are under there, and he has cracked them before, so he does not like working with them. I've also thought about doing the side flares off the back of the bumper, which go out here. That might be something to do. I'll think about that. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about that idea. Yeah, oh, another thing. Somebody asked me, do I have coils or what? Springs. I have IBOC coilover kit. So, there's your answer. That's why it has this nice stance. Yeah, don't let me hum and haw through the rest of the day. But, I just wanted to make this video to show you guys what I've done to the car, how she looks now, and start dropping this content that I have sitting on. Last order of business, I do have a brand new custom mod coming in that I am not releasing exactly what it is until I at least have a picture of it finished, or may even just release it when I install it. But let's just say it's going to change the game for the interior. That being said, it's been a long time coming for this mod that I have coming, so I am very excited. I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's been a fun ride so far, and we're going to take it to the next level now. We just got this drone, should be on the way here soon. I know this COVID thing has delivery for a lot of the carriers messed up right now, so I don't know how long it'll take for the drone to get here, but that should be coming soon, and that'll be 4K. So this summer should be fun, guys. This summer should be fun. I appreciate you guys taking your time checking in with me. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me, posted_M3. If you haven't subscribed to this channel or Beemer Fam, please do so. You know, I appreciate the love. I do this for you guys. Obviously, I have my fun and do it for me as well, but the video stuff, this vlogging stuff, I do it to bring you guys along because I care about you. I love that you guys are here on the journey with me and following along and following my build process and everything that we've been doing the last almost 4 years with her. So that being said, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you very much, and let's turn it up a notch here. Peace.